In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website's menu sticky using Wix Editor or Wix Studio in the Chrome browser. Let's dive right in and get your menu to stay put while your visitors scroll down your site. Firstly, we need to ensure that you're accessing the Wix Editor via a reliable and up-to-date web browser. And in this case, we recommend using Google Chrome. So go ahead, fire up Chrome, and navigate to the Wix website. Log into your account with the site you want to edit. Once you're in, open your Wix Editor or Wix Studio by selecting the relevant site. This is where the magic happens. After loading your website, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already, as it's essential to feel comfortable navigating around. Next, focus on the menu section of your website. Your site menu is typically easy to spot and is a crucial design element. It helps visitors navigate your content, so it's important to have it readily accessible. Whether you want to work with your current menu or you're thinking of adding a new one, both can be accomplished here. To select your site menu, simply click on it directly from the editor. If you're opting to add a new menu, go to the Add button on the left, usually represented by a plus icon, and choose the menu option to insert it into your site. Now, once your menu is selected or newly added, we want to enable the sticky or floating option. This feature allows the menu to remain visible as users scroll down your web page, enhancing the browsing experience. To activate this, navigate to the menu settings. This is typically accessed by clicking on the menu, which then brings up contextual options. Look for settings, and in the settings menu, you should see an option labeled sticky or floating. Toggle this option on. Your menu is now set to stick as the user scrolls, making navigation easier regardless of where they are on the page. Following this setup, you can customize how your menu looks and behaves. Consider how the rest of your site is styled, color schemes, fonts, and animations. Utilize the appearance settings to tweak the menu as needed. This is your opportunity to customize scrolling effects, background transparency, and to generally harmonize the menu with your site's aesthetics. This ensures not only does your menu function well, but it looks great too. Finally, to preserve all your hard work, it's critical to save your changes. Locate the Save button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the editor. After saving, it's always a good practice to hit Publish to make your sticky menu live on your website for everyone to experience. Voila, your site now has a seamlessly sticky menu ready to enhance visitor interaction. Thanks for joining the tutorial. Happy site editing!